Hi, in this video you will learn how to create the perfect smoky eye. Now a smoky eye is the most dramatic eye makeup look which is perfect for an evening. And you can also create a smoky eye with any colors, and you can also decide if you want to keep it only with matte shadows or also with shimmery shadows. Now all what you need to learn is how to correctly layer those shadows to get that beautiful smoky and gradient effect. Now my name is Melissa van Dijk and I'm a makeup artist, and before we're getting started with step number 1, let me show you the tools that you will need to create the perfect smoky eye. Starting off with a bit of eyeshadow. Now those can either be in a palette or also single shadows. Just make sure that you're having at least one matte shadow, which is the lightest one, then a medium shadow, and then also darker shadows. Then moving on to the brushes. For the first lighter shadow you will need to have one big flat eyeshadow brush, then a normal flat eyeshadow brush, and also a smudging brush. Now to create a little bit more of an intensive liner, you can either go with a pencil liner, you could also go with a liquid liner. It depends on how dramatic you want to create the look. And then lastly, to open the eye, don't forget the mascara. So let's get started with step number 1 to create the perfect smoky eye, which is starting off with the base color. Start with a white or white-yellow base shadow depending on your skin tone, and blend it all over the eyelid area from the lash line to the brow bone, using a big flat eyeshadow brush. Step number 2, apply a medium color. Choose a medium smoky color and apply it on the main lid area using the same flat eyeshadow brush. This will help the finish stay soft. Step number 3, apply a darker color. Layer the darker color along the upper lash line and continue blending the darker shadow upwards into the medium colored shadow until you reach the mid area of the lid. Now add the same darker shadow onto the lower lash line. Step number 4. Apply the liner. Apply smooth strokes of pencil liner from the outside corner to the inner corner of your eyelid. Now add the liner on the lower waterline as well. Begin at the outside corner and move towards the inner corner. Line as close to the lashes as possible. Step number 5. Smudge the liner. To give the pencil liner staying power, use a smudging brush to sweep a layer of eyeshadow over the pencil. Smudge the line to create a smoky look that's between the liner and the shadow. Optional, the liner can be thickened. Step number 6. Check for corrections. Now it's time to check whether both eyes look the same, and if needed you can always reapply a shade to get the look you desire. Step number 7. Add mascara. To finish the look and make the eyes seem more open, don't forget to add a few coats of mascara. And lastly, a quick tip, which is lipstick. If you can't decide what lipstick you should wear, here's a simple tip. If you want a softer overall look, go with a natural lighter lipstick color. And if you want to add a bit of drama to the look, choose a darker berry or red lipstick color. So this is how you can create the perfect smoky eye, and also now you know how you can layer the different shadows to get a beautiful gradient. Now I do hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did so, don't forget to give it a thumbs up as well as share it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!